In this Enterprise Single Sign-On Manager video, we will demonstrate installing the software and creating a single sign-on solution for a product called Goldmine. Now once we have that all set, we need to go ahead and assign our applications. So we come up to Management and Application Assignment. We're going to create a new assignment. We'll call this one Goldmine. We'll select the Goldmine application. We'll share this out to everyone, or you can browse your network and select specific groups that you want to give permission. There are some additional options underneath application policies. One is the delegation feature, which is very nice. This allows you to allow the end user to delegate out their enrollment credentials to another person. So an example would be if user A is leaving on vacation, they can give user B permission to use their login account to log into an application, but user B never knows the login credentials for user A. We can also have applications automatically start when a user logs into Windows. SSO will automatically open up those applications for them. Okay, now we have Goldmine as an application and it's shared out to everyone. Now let's go down to our SSO client. If you notice, we now have an application called Goldmine, and we're not enrolled yet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the Goldmine application. First we need to close it, and now we'll open it up. SSO automatically detected that the Goldmine application opened, and now it's asking us to put in our credentials. Now it's finishing our login for us. Go ahead and close Goldmine, and we'll take a look at our SSO client application. Now you'll notice under Goldmine we have Demo A as registered. So our Demo A account is now enrolled into the database. Now when we open up the SSO product, it is automatically logged in. Now that was a simple demonstration of creating a login. Now we take it one step further and add a bad password. So we'll close Goldmine. And now what we're going to do is we're going to scripts. We're going to take our bad password script. We're going to make a copy of it. Call it Goldmine bad password. Save it. Go to our application. Go into bad password, and now we need to detect the layout for the bad password. What I'm going to do now to be able to demonstrate this is I'm going to go ahead and open up our SSO client software, because right now it's enrolled with the correct password. So I'm going to unenroll us by deleting our credentials. Now I'm going to open up Goldmine. I'll put in the correct username, but I'll put a bad password in. Now what happens is Goldmine pops up a message saying invalid username or password. We need SSO to detect that. So now we go back to SSO, grab our icon, select that window, and now SSO detects that window. Now we need to set our controls. This one's called OK button control. Use our icon, select OK, press OK. Now we need to set our script. Instead of the default one, we'll use the custom one we made, bad password. So now we have our script for bad password Goldmine, and we have our control set, and we have the correct layout set. Press OK. Now we're going to go ahead and close Goldmine again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open Goldmine, and we know it's going to use the wrong password because that's what our SSO client has enrolled. Now what happens is SSO first ran when the first window opened, and it tried to put in the bad password. You can see 3 stars here. Then it detected that bad password window came up, so it now opened up a different dialog telling us that we put the wrong credentials in. It still gave us the same username, which is a nice feature so people don't have to keep typing in the username, but now we need to put in the correct password. And SSO will finish logging in for us. Now if I close Goldmine again, and I open it up, it logs in with the correct username and password right away. To give you a high level how that works, we'll go to our login script. You'll notice that we have an if-then-else statement up here, which is looking for logged in. And this if-then-else statement is saying if logged in is equal to true, then it's not going to run its script. What it does is it skips all the way down to the bottom of the script. If it's false, it's going to go through the script, which is going to ask for credentials, and then it's going to log in. It's going to fill in the information for username, password, and the OK button. Then it's going to come down here and it's going to flag the login to true. Well, what happens when we detect a bad password, our bad password script runs. And if that bad password window comes up, we press OK. Then what we do is we set our logged in to false. The next time the login screen runs, it won't be logged in, it will be false. So then it's going to ask you to go through these steps again. So that's how SSO can automatically continuously be running and detecting if someone's logged in or not logged in, if they have a bad password, or if they even reset their password. So that's how the mechanism at a high level for the SSO product works. The Enterprise Single Sign-On Manager also contains reports. Underneath here, we have reports. We can add a new report. Let's do enrollments. You can set this on a schedule where it will run every week or every month or every hour. When you would like to have the report run. If you want to have it emailed out or if you just want to store it inside the system. If you want to have it exported to a CSV file. And the name of the report. Now that we've added our report template, we can open it up. It's a very simple report that will give you detailed information on which applications and the number of people that are enrolled into these applications. These type of reports can be emailed out to you or just stored as HTML files, and then you manually come into the admin console and run the reports on your own. This concludes our video on Single Sign-On Manager.